My GE front load washer will not unlock the front door or respond to any front panel commands. This is after it stopped working with water in the drum because of a blockage in the filter. I left it unplugged overnight, but it still will not unlock or cycle.
Hi. Welcome to Just Answer. If the answer I provide for you is helpful, please click Accept. I won't be paid if you don't. Thank you. Good morning. You can unlock the unit by removing the 3 screws at the bottom front of the unit. Pull the lower panel out at the bottom and remove it. Reach up inside of the unit near where the door lock is and you will feel a small tab at the bottom of the lock assembly. Pull down on it and the door will open. Mind you that any water in the unit will come out when you open the door. Once you have the closeout, you can replace the door lock. I have a service manual that will help you do the repair. Please stand by and I will upload a copy for you to work from.
My wife was able to open the door previously and get the water out. We could not get the washer to drain. I cleared a $20 bill from the filter, which I assume caused the pump to think it wasn't getting any water. I performed the tech sequence the repairman has used before. Signal/delay start/signal/delay start. I was able to get the code to come up and show a water error. We proceeded to drain the remainder of the water through the filter outlet. Thinking the washer wouldn't start because it thought it had a water overflow. Through a couple power offs, I am at the following state. No water in the washer, filter is clean.
The bill stuck in the drain system will cause the unit to not open. If the water does not drain from the unit, it tells the main control board that it is not empty and locks the door until it gets the signal that the unit is empty. Go ahead and try running another load. If it locks up again, then the manual will help you determine what has failed. Please click here to download the manual.
When I plug in the washer, it waits 30 seconds and SHWS door lock. The panel will not respond to anything, even run another load. Should I perform the door unlock you recommended?
One moment please. Okay, are there still clothes in the unit?
No, the clothes and water have been removed.
Okay, and you have tried unplugging the unit for a couple of minuets to reset the control board? Tried.
Yes, I did it for 30 seconds, 20 minutes and then left it off all night. Unplugged.
Okay, 1 minuet please. Has the unit displayed any error codes?
When I originally got into the tech mode, it had an error about low water flow. I don't remember the code. At the moment, there is no error code. I just plug it in and 30 seconds later it shows door lock and will not respond to any buttons. It just beeps when touched.
AHHH. So you have put the unit into the onboard diagnostics mode then?
Yes. Perhaps. I wasn't intending to, just clearing the error.
Okay, try this. Press signal button. Press delay start button. Press signal button. Press delay start button. Note: attempting to exit the service mode by disconnecting the power will result in a locked washer.
That's where I am.
Try pressing the button combination to get it out of the diagnostics mode.
It just beeps at me. I left it unplugged last night and the first thing I did this morning was try the sequence. It ignored me and went to locked after 30 seconds.
OK, unplug the unit for at least 30 seconds and do the button pressing within 30 seconds of plugging it back in.
OK.
Page 51 in the manual has these instructions. Here is the link to the manual again. Please click here.
Unplugged for 1 minute, plugged in, did the sequence, no response, then the door locked light came on.
OK, give me a bit to look in the manual for you.
OK. I'm sure it has something to do when getting out of the diags.
Machine must be in idle mode before entering test. Idle mode occurs when the washer has completed a cycle. If the cycle is interrupted, the washer will drain water when the power is reapplied. The water level switch must reset before the test mode can be entered. If water remains in the washer, manually drain the washer to reset the water level switch. A failed water level switch can cause an inability to enter the test mode. Looks like a bad water level switch. One moment and it'll get you a link to order the switch online. The model number is, please click here to see the possible model numbers.
Can I confirm this by jumping the switch?
I'm sorry, but no.
Model WBVH6240FWW.
OK, one moment please. There are testing procedures for the switch on page 33 of the manual.
I may have fixed it.
Great.
I read another post how opening and closing the door can clear the error. I just couldn't open the door.
That probably did it.
The water level wasn't the problem, it was just a reset that required the door to be open/closed.
Opening the door can cause the system to reset. Yup.
I am running a short cycle through the washer now.
If it is running, then that is great news. Should be fine. If it codes again, be sure to write down the error code. Most likely clearing the bill from the system resolved the main problem.
I believe the main problem was the blockages we have had in the past. The important part you gave me was the manual release of the door location. I think you were sending me down a long road with ordering a door switch when a lot of these washer problems are reset issues.
Yup. Then when you went into the diagnostics, it locked it up. When you did the button pressing, it actually cleared the diagnostics, but it still needed to have the door open to complete the system reset.
But because you gave me the key that I could use to do the reset, I'm happy and I will press accept.
Sorry. I thought that you had already opened and closed the door.
That's okay, I'll let it do its cycle and it should be okay. Thanks.
You are welcome. Equals.
Do I just enter my question here? From our last conversation, the cycle stopped with 20 minutes remaining, the door unlocked and then nothing happened for the next 20 minutes. I tried to get into tech mode but it only provides me with 3 options: -01, -02 or -03.
Okay, please give me a few minuets to finish up with another customer. Thank you.
Okay.
The second option should allow you to view the stored error codes. Try it and write down any error codes that it gives you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.